Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by claiming a Google Voice number, sign into your Google account, and pick an available number. Once done, install the Google Voice app and enable notifications and microphone access so SMS and calls arrive. Make sure the number is a US or Canada voice number not previously used with WhatsApp. If you already have a phone SIM, keep it active. Otherwise, proceed with the voice-only option. These steps ensure you can actually receive verification codes and calls when now open WhatsApp and type your Google Voice number, including the country code. For US numbers, that's +1. Tap Verify and request the SMS code first. WhatsApp may take up to 5 minutes. If the SMS does not arrive, choose the Call Me option. This triggers WhatsApp to call with a numeric code. Make sure the Google Voice app is open or notifications are allowed so you hear or see the call. You must capture the 6-digit code, exactly as spoken or texted, to proceed. Enter the 6-digit code into WhatsApp and wait for the confirmation. When successful, your account links to the voice number. If the call goes straight to voicemail or you miss the code, open Google Voice settings, disable call screening and any call forwarding, then retry. Make sure both apps have network access. If problems persist, clear app cache, reinstall Google Voice and WhatsApp, or try a different voice number. One key tip: avoid rapid repeated attempts. Wait a few minutes between tries to prevent rate limits.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.